found this text in DSM-5. Let's go back to some facts about autism. So, if we see autism, then it is found more common in males. It is 3 to 4 times higher in males as compared to female. There is no specific reason for this, but this is what the facts are. And according to the Indian textbook, it is about zero point 4 to 0.5 in 1000. So because in the Western world, there are there are activities for assessment, early identification. So prevalence of autism differs from country to country depending on the studies, the system they are having, the screening they are having from for the autism. So it may be higher in the Western European countries, but in India, the textbook mentioned that it is from 4.4 to zero point 0.5 per thousand. So I have written 1 per 2000. When we talk about autism, we definitely think of what are the reason for the autism, why this happen. So there are multiple genetic factors which are responsible. So if we talk of one of the type of autism, which is Rett disorder, Rett syndrome, it is related to the chromosome X, deletion of some genes on the chromosome X. Similarly, the studies have found out that recent studies have found out that if one of the child is having autism, the chances of having autism in the sibling are around 19%. 19 means there are 20% chances of a sibling will be having autism. So it says that the autism is definitely linked to the genes. So how this helps? If a family is having autism, then they can look in the another siblings or another next kid, and they can have vigilance over the symptom. As in the presentation, we will go through the various kind of the presentation which happens in the infants, toddlers, and then if a parent can have such symptom in their mind, then it can help us or help them to have a early detection. Definitely the perinatal factors, prenatal, postnatal factors have a large impact on the autism. Prenatal, like exposure to the drugs like thalidomide, valproic acid, ethanol, misoprostol during the pregnancy, then hypoxia, then maybe prenatal complications, postnatal difficulty during the childbirth, cesarean sections, then assisted delivery. After delivery, if the kid is having difficult, means if there is delayed crying, then it can again lead to hypoxia and neuronal injury, which can lead to the autism. And after that, if there are various factors like if the child is having seizure during the postnatal period or any kind of injury to the neuron, then it can lead to the autism. It is also said that a lot of the chemicals in the environment are responsible for the autism. Like teratogens. Teratogens are the chemicals which are responsible for cancerous or mutations. Then hazardous air pollutants, pesticides are also found in the study that they are responsible for autism. Maternal age, I have written maternal age, but similarly paternal age is also associated with the autism. Study says that higher the age of parent during the birth of the child, means if age of father is 30, then there are less chances. If the age of father is 45, 50, then chances are higher. Similarly, maternal age, as it progresses above 30, 35, 40, then the chances of having autism increases proportionately. As it crosses 35, the chances become very much higher. So why we need to keep this etiological factor in mind, so that we can have a vigilant eye on children, so that it will help us to have a early detection. Okay. So Usually autism, about autism, it is said that the parents are able to identify at or after the age of 3. Before that it is very difficult to identify, but there are certain factors, there are certain characteristics which can help us to identify during the infancy, before 1 year of age. So when a child is of 1 year of age or yet to walk or stand, then parents can identify that the development is not typical. Means अगर उनके घर पे और भी बच्चे, तो उनका डेवलपमेंट एंड this kid development is different. So uh, this kid will not babble, मतलब माँ बा ऐसा नहीं कह पाता है. The kid is not able to point out, जैसे कि he wants something, he wants some toy, so उधर उंगली नहीं दिखा पाता है. Or he is not able to make a meaningful gestures, like if mummy दिखती है या पापा दिखते हैं, the child will smile, the child will uh, raise his hand so that मुझे गोदी में उठाओ. But the kid who are having autism in infancy, they lack babbling, pointing and meaningful gesture. Also, there is very poor eye to eye contact, they are engorged in self, वो खुद में ही खोए रहते हैं. So in infancy, the child is not making eye to eye contact, no language development, or the pattern of development is not typical, then it can indicate that it can be autism. I am saying indicate. जरूरी नहीं कि वो autism ही होगा. Sometimes children develop speech in a delayed fashion, but if such thing are there, then we can keep an eye that these can be a indication of autism. When in infancy these children also appear to be deaf. ऐसे लगता है कि वो deaf है, but because they don't respond to the sound, means even if you call them by their name, so if the name is anything, so if you call by name, then he will not respond, he will not look at you. Then it may appear कि अरे इसे सुनाई ही नहीं आता है क्या. When the kid is of 1 to 2 years of age, usually a child speak a single word by 18 months. Means by the age of 1.5 year he should speak. But if the kid is having autism, the kid will not say any single word like mama, papa, pani. So he will not be able to say the single words, one word. uh, as we uh, as we see the kid of about 2 years of age, they usually combine two words like mama pani, mama khana, papa bur. So they will not be able to combine the two words by the age of 2 years, and they will not respond to the name also. And in this age of 1 to 2 years, they will not be associating themselves with people, उनके रिश्तेदार, दादा दादी या surrounding. They will be lost in their own world. Sometime in some kids, कुछ बच्चों में ये जो changes है suddenly occur होते हैं. Means sometime it can be from birth, or sometime सब कुछ normal चल रहा है, suddenly they show such differences. मतलब इनिशियली वो बात कर रहा था और सडनली उसका बात करना बंद हो गया. इनिशियली वो रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा था, अभी रिस्पॉन्ड करना बंद कर दिया. इनिशियली वो लोगों को देखता था, इंटरेक्ट करता था, अभी एकदम से ही इज विथ हिमसेल्फ. सो दीज changes can also be sudden. Suddenly they can start rejecting people, act very strangely. They will lose the language they have acquired. Means language development will be there, but suddenly it will be lost. पहले वो बात करते थे, फिर सडनली वो बात करना बंद कर सकते हैं. And social skill, पहले they were able to interact with others, they were able to respond to the surrounding, and then this can suddenly stop. Or third thing can be that it will be plateau, like certain development will be achieved and they will not be able to achieve or progress beyond that. So इसमें there can be three scenarios. First, there is no development. Second, development is there and then sudden it regresses or stop, or then it can achieve a plateau. So in toddlers or before 2 years or 3 years of age, if we are able to see such kind of patterns in children, then then we can keep in mind that this kid can require assessment for autism. So now this is about the before 2 years, 3 years of age. But after 3 years of age, there can be three kind of symptoms in the children. Three kind. First will be like, as I said, language, but it is not diagnostic. Second, social interaction, and third, repeated restrictive behavior. I will try to explain one by one. Let's start with social, reciprocal, and interpersonal interaction. So, whenever a child is having autism, then there will be no social smile. Means whenever a kid is shown a toy, or whenever kid sees something, some bird or animal, they smile, they flap their hand, they clap their hand. But these things will be absent in autism. Definitely there will be no eye to eye contact. These kids usually look at the, will not make eye to eye contact, but look at different aspect of the person, like head, like chin, like neck, but they will not make any eye to eye contact. They will also have no awareness of other people or their existence or feelings. There is something called uh, let me guess, theory of mind. Okay, so here they say that in this case they are not able to mentalize what other people are saying, what is happening in the surrounding, and so they are not able to mentalize and be aware or process what is happening, and therefore they are not able to respond. In this kid, there is also no separation anxiety. In normal kid, if the kid is separated from the mother, then that kid will shout, cry, will throw temper tantrum, so that his mother or parent will understand that he is being taken away. But if the kid is a kid of autism, or the children with autism is taken away, they will not show any anxiety. They will not be irritated or shouting or throwing tantrums. Also, as I said, whenever a child with autism see his parent, then usually normal kid will smile, normal kid will run after the parent, he will ask them to take him, means गोद में ले लो. But such kind of attachment will not be seen in the children with the autism. These children will be always engaged in solitary games. Means they will happy with themselves. They will not need other children to play with. They will not need other people to interact. They will always be happy in their own games. And these children usually play in very odd manner. Means they will not play with the car, but they will play with the wheel of the car. They will not run the car, but they will align everything in the line. So like pattern. And also when these kids grow, then they have less friend, or very few friends. One or two people will be there with whom they are very comfortable, because these the people with whom they become friend are according to their patterns. Means the child with autism will have specific requirement about the surrounding, or the people, or the arrangement. If that is happening, then only they will talk with the people. So these will have a marked impairment in making friends. They will not be able very good in making friends. These are just means few of the point. There can be lot more of the symptom in this domain of social reciprocation and interpersonal interaction, but I just tried to pinpoint the major points which I came across. Okay, so marked impairment in the language and non-verbal communication. So in this domain, there will be lack of verbal or facial response to sound and voices. Means the speech will be not completely developed, or developed but then regress, or there will be no development of the speech. In infancy also there will be absence of babbling sound, cooing sound. It can be very delayed. Means these children may babble or poo at the age of 3, and there will be very less dictionary of the sound for kid with the autism. So there will be very least words they will be speaking, very restricted amount of words they will be speaking. There can be totally absent speech or maybe delayed speech or restricted speech development in the autism. Also, these kids with autism have very different pattern of speech. Like I will tell echolalia. So if I ask a kid, आपका नाम क्या है? So he will say, आपका नाम क्या है? आप क्या कर रहे हो? So he will again say, आप क्या कर रहे हो? Because he is not able to comprehend what you are asking or what you are telling. He will just repeat what you are saying. Perseveration is like if I hear a word elephant, then he will always keep repeating elephant, elephant. Like आपका favorite animal कौन सा है? He will say आपका favorite animal कौन सा है? Elephant. So he will say elephant. Then आपका नाम क्या है? Elephant. आप क्या खाओगे? Elephant. So perseveration, repetition of the same word. Also, there will be poor articulation. They will not be able to pronounce the word properly, and there will be reversal of the word. Like if I say कि what you are doing, आप क्या कर रहे हो? So he will not say मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. He will say मौसम खाना खा रहा है. Means he will use the word I in place of you. So he will not refer himself as the first person but as a second person. Okay. Also, there is
some queries. Some participant asked to express in Hindi.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Most of the people from outside also. Some people from Telangana, Andhra, Pachim Bengal also.
Okay.
Most
so
of the
Hindi में
Hindi so participant asked to explanation in Hindi.
Okay. चलेगा.
Okay.
I will say in Hindi.
Okay.
Just 1 second. Where I can see the message, I'm not message कुठं दिसतील because I'm having a screen. I'm not able to see the messages.
नहीं सर, आपको नहीं दिखेंगे. आपने स्क्रीन शेयर किया है. मैं